This is our tour, ersatz tour, with a completely improv of our setup down here. We have our bags. This is our setup down in the Van der Graaf Accelerator Lab. You can see there's all sorts of assorted equipment and doodads and thingamabobs. And then as we look around, toolboxes, and over here is actually the accelerator proper. All sorts of nifty little thingamabobs and who's or what's. It's some sort of crazy filament there. All sorts of neat doodads, workbenches and such. And then we'll go on over. Right now we're working on testing out to see whether our voltage stack multiplier is correctly working. We had some arcing issues earlier today. Working on that right now. Working on our workbench. There's a microwave soon to be cannibalized for its transformer. This is Sean's radio that we use for RF ionization of the for plasma. Our Variac allows us to control our voltage input. Over here you can see our recently used C-stand for the I just did a video for when we were using the transformer right over here to pull some fat arcs. It's of unknown origin, and so we think it might be the cause. Here you can see of some voltage things. Here you can see our voltmeter. Can't really see, but it reads to what would we max out at? About 15 kV it's maxed out at. 10 and 20 depending on the scale. And right here we have our actual stainless steel vacuum chamber. Various ports and such. You can see our where our bleed valve is. This is a nice big thick cast acrylic viewport. It's a little dirty right now. You can see inside of our chamber right here. Not much in there right now, but we still have to mount our inner grid. Our test vacuum meter. You can see right now, we can hear pumps running in the background. This is our roughing pump right here, pulls us down to a rough vacuum. This is our diffusion pump, mounted right under here. You can see that's that big green articulated cylinder. And then over here we have our cryo-cool. This is to actually cool our diffusion pump some. The elements that need to be cooled, although we still have to play around with that a little bit. Right here you can see our another couple set of vacuum gauges. These ones are a little bit more permanent. We've been, so far the lowest we've gotten, at least today, was 2 × 10⁻⁷ torr, which is a pretty deep vacuum. Our nice handy dandy little control box we were able to use that controls our pumps. You can see right now both the mechanical pump and the diffusion pump are on. And that's it.